Another video, and we're going to be grinding to about $2 million in this game. So yeah, overall I got the 13 mil car, which is looking pretty nice. I got the opera scenery, which is also looking pretty good. I got the Spend Inferno GE winter event car. I got a limited edition Bravo H45 EGS silver, and then I got a Tosin 115 luxury helicopter. I got Tushin 308. It's another helicopter. Now I got the Dulux jet, which is really big. Now I got the jumper stunt plane. So yeah. We're also going to get money so we can customize this plane and the helicopter. Anyways, let's do some races. I'm going to be doing this one first because it gives me some good money. And I can also drive like pretty fast too in this car, and it also has really good handling. Hopefully I just don't spin out, because those are one of my main issues, is when I spin out. It's like right here I slow down a bit so I can get a better drift. So yeah. I just almost crashed right there, guys. So I could go pretty fast for this race. No, I hate that when that happens because I like spin out so hard when that happens. So yeah, here drift. Hey, that was clean. Alright, now we're gonna do this race. Hooray, race. Oh wait, let me lock my car real quick. Let's wait for some players. Oh, no, let me race this kid. I want to race that kid over there. I want to. Now, who won't race me? I guess nobody. Nope, looks like I'm already in a race. I'm going to go super fast, so yeah. Hey, 23 seconds. I'm doing this one next. And then after blocks of circuit, we're just doing a circuit race. So yeah, let's get on to it. I also hate this race too because of the sides have like rocks on the side, and sometimes I accidentally hit them. Or it's right here where I accidentally hit the fence and makes me go flying. And for some reason, I just lose control so much more on this race. I don't even know why half the time. Like right there. I'm gonna drift right here. This is what I mean. I just like lose a lot of control on this race in general. So I don't really race on this race because it's very frustrating overall, guys. So yeah. And that's all basically. There's way too much drifting. Well, anyways, you know what? Let's just get onto it. Whoops. Can't believe I just crashed right there. I didn't even see it. It blended in. I literally just missed my what was it called? The handbrake. I actually misclicked it. I spun out of room, guys. Now we're doing the circuit race. That also makes good money. But overall, I just prefer the circuit race way more because it's so much easier to drift and harder to lose control. So yeah. But one thing I do not like about circuit races is that sometimes it's kind of easy to like overturn like right here. Yeah, right here. So yeah. Oops. So we're doing pretty good overall. That drift was perfect. Whoops. So yeah. Let's just finish this race up real quick. Easy with a perfect drift. And you know what? Let's go do the plane race. This plane is like super loud, so I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. Okay, I guess I can't land too well. Cool. Okay. Yeah, that landing totally works. I just drifted in there. Personally, me, I don't really use a deluxe plane with the helicopters because they take too long. So I just usually use a stunt plane because it's just overall easier to control. Let's do this. The stunt plane's way quieter. Oh yeah. The race kind of takes like a while. But you do get like see the nice scenery though and things. You know, I completely forgot about the boat races. I might do that next. Well, if I have a boat. I'm not sure if I have a boat. Oh, I do not. I gotta buy one. Oh yeah, because the last boat I had, I sold it. So I could get another car. I'm stuck in the ground. You know what? This could be a car. Yeah, this is a car now. Ow! No! No! Oh, I just realized something. Oh my god. Okay. I want to try flying in it without crashing. Oh yeah, that's not possible. I don't think it is. And I'm stuck. Haha. Alright, anyways, let me try that again. Now let me just spawn in the plane. Like, line it all up and things. Whoop. Oh, that was a long plane. Huh. That definitely would not fit. Oh, is their wingspan too big? Is it? I don't think it is, actually. I don't think the wingspan ain't that big. It might be. It might be. It might be. I'm going to keep trying, though. And see if it is. I did not realize the ATV was that fast. Okay. Oh, no. It doesn't fit. And at least we tried, though. At least we tried. That's all that matters. Is at least we tried. So let's this car and make it back to the races. Hopefully there's people that we can race. Let's hit this jump that I completely missed. Oh, we missed a highway race area. And so let's just hit this jump over here. Oh yeah, there's also a jump down there I forgot about. Oh yeah, we made it. Oh yeah, that's what I like. There's all. Let's spawn our plane up here and fly down. No, let's spawn our nice luxurious helicopter. Okay, let's drive. Hey! That jump was clean! But I crashed. Let's find any more jumps that we could hit. Oh no, I just had a good idea for a jump. I just might not go fast enough though. Oh yeah, this should work. This should work. So yeah. Let me just hit this jump real quick. Well, let me try hit this jump if it works. Okay, it kind of worked. It worked like a little bit. So yeah. Actually, you know what? Let me customize my plane real quick though. Oh my god! That went pretty fast. Let's fly this plane over because it's faster. It's louder but it's faster. And I'm stuck. Oh come on. I just realized I could just help it. Oh my god. I just want some sonic speed there. Oh, you know, one thing. Let's bring out this. Let's fly it. Let's see the appearance. We get red so far. Okay. I just had a good idea. Alien kind looking. Boom. That looks good already, actually. We don't need it. That's not yellow. That looks good now. And now let's do it for our helicopter. Our ugly helicopter. Oh yeah, comment down below of what color we should make the inside. But for now, I'm gonna make it black. I'm gonna make this like that way. Window tint could be like, yeah, this. Oh, it actually looks really good on orange or blue. Oh yeah, blue looks really good on it. That way looks good though. That way looks good. Let's look at the other colors though. See how they will look on this. I think this is the one that looks the best. Or like that. Might do a different one. That looks pretty good though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, we're good on that. Now let's do our other helicopter. And fly into there. Green actually looks the best. You can't say what the other helicopter. Comment down below of what you want the inside to be. Let's do like this one, like that. Then we could just do this. That looks really good. That looks really good. Alright, but for the interior, we're gonna make it black for now. And let's make those windows right here. But since we're done doing this, guys. Hope y'all have a good rest of the day, and see y'all later.